I'm building a boat from the ground up, a brand new one, and my friend is building it. I trust him a lot. He was the guy who built the last boat I sailed around the world in 5 months, just 3 defects. And that speaks a lot about his boat building abilities. I think a boat built by him is going to be safe. There's no doubt about it.
Adventure is still alive. People will support a cause like this, and of course, one of the biggest supporters of our endeavor has been Sir Robin himself. Robin is the first man who went around the world solo, non-stop, and assisted in built a boat in India in Colaba.
When I heard about the modern Golden Globe race, as I like to say it, next year, I was quite excited. And then Abhilash told me that he would like to take part in the race, and basically asked if I could help him out. I said, "What sort of question is that?" "Of course, I'll help him out." And then we decided that we can build a similar replica of Suhaili, which was incidentally built in the early 60s in Bombay. So why not build the same boat, a replica of the boat in India?
Here you can see behind we are doing a design which is Eric. Eric is from a designer, American designer. It is the same design from which Suhaili was built. Suhaili was the boat which won the 1968 Golden Globe race with Sir Robin Knox Johnson at the helm.
Well, Abhilash, I'm sitting on Suhaili and I'm just contacting you to say congratulations on getting Suhaili's little sister ready to launch. I hope the day goes well, and I hope also you have a very successful voyage, not just over to the UK, but also all the way around the world. You're the man for it. Good luck.